Hey everyone, welcome back to Beginner Like You. Today I want to deep dive into how exactly I'll be doing this. Each week I'll focus on specific aspects of building my brand agency and share the process, challenges, and what I learn along the way. Let me give you a detailed breakdown of my weekly plan. For the next few weeks, here's what I'll be working on and sharing with you guys. So, for the first week, I'll be gathering information about my target market, analyzing competitors, and drafting a solid business plan. The next week, I'll be focusing on creating my logo. After that, I'll be creating a detailed brand style guide that includes the logo, color palette, typography, and other visual elements that define my brand. The next week, I'll be creating some social media strategies for platforms like Instagram, Pinterest to grow my online presence. And then I'll be creating social media content and implementing growth strategies to increase my following. After that, I'll be reaching out to potential clients for my brand agency. So each week, I'll be so every week, I'll not only be telling you what I'm doing but also explaining why I'm taking a particular approach, what other options are available, and how you can apply these strategies to your own projects. I want to make sure that you get a comprehensive understanding of the process and feel confident to start your own journey. That's it for today. In the next week, I'll dive into market research and drafting a business plan, and I'll see you next week.